Hi everyone, how are we? So today I'm going to quickly run through the card that is going to be available on an online card class. So it's going to be this little 3x3 notelet. There we go. It's nice, quick and easy, small and compact, so it's perfect for the last minute cards, or you could even do as little tag, stick some ribbon around it. It'd be perfect. It's using the new Wishing You Well stamp set here, which is from the Autumn Winter catalogue. So with the online card class, how it works is you'll place an order with me and you'll receive the stamp set. You'll receive real red ink pad, old olive ink pad, a pack of red rhinestones. Okay, and you'll also receive enough cardstock to make this card 10 times, as well as some envelopes. So that's 10 old olive card bases. You'll get the stitch shapes cut out in Whisper White, all ready to go. What else? You'll receive enough Whisper White cardstock to do the bow. And that's all you need. Everything to go, apart from you'll need to supply scissors to obviously cut out the bow, some adhesive, and the blocks to use for the stamping. Other than that, everything else is included. So this will be available to purchase over on my blog. The link is in the description bar below. It costs £43, and that is if it's collected. If you're having it posted to you, then that would be 48. Okay, there is a PayPal link that you can follow, or alternatively, if you've already got these ink pads, and you wanted to swap it for another colour so you can increase your collection, that's fine by me. You just need to drop me an email just to let me know. Okay, so let's get cracking, shall we? So put the card up in that corner, move everything out of the way. So we're going to start with the base. So it's old olive, 6 inches by 3, folded at 3 inches, and I'm just going to use my bone folder just to make a good crisp crease. So grabbing a Whisper White stitch shaped element and bring that in. And in the stamp set, you do get this really nice wreath, as you can see there. It's kind of like, it's a dot effect, but it creates such a weird pattern, but I really like it. Weird in a good way. So let's just grab our old olive ink, bring in the stamp, and ink it up, as you can see. Now I'm just going to eyeball it over the top of the camera and pop it down like so. There you go. So while I've got the ink open, as you can see, we're using the Greetings Seasoned Greetings, or the Sentiment Seasoned Greetings, and I've got it onto a block G. I'm just going to stamp that up and just put that in the middle of that wreath, like so. So that's basically the base done. So we're going to get that glued down onto the base, like so. Try and get it in the middle. That's not in the middle. Not good to me. Like so. So you can have it this way or this way. It's up to you. I'm going to have it top fold. So we're going to do the little bow now. So we can close up the old olive. Ooh. Bring in the real red. Like so. Bring in, so you'll get a strip of Whisper White, which is big enough for you to stamp the bow onto. I'm using a block C for that. Just stamping that on, like so. So now you're just going to fussy cut around it. But because it's TV, well, it's not TV, it's YouTube. I've already done it, all ready to go. And with this, what I do is just grab 2 dimensionals, and plonk them down like so. So obviously you can spend a lot longer on your card making it perfect. However, for the sake of the video and upload time, I'm just going quite quickly. So that's on top. And that's all the stamping done. Nice and easy. You can add something on the inside, like a little stamp in the corner. You could do the little flowers, incorporate more of the stamps. So the fun bit, and the bit I like, is to rhinestone it up. I like a bit of bling. So I'm going to be using my pick it up tool. You know, when the name goes straight out of your head. And I'm just going to use the pointed side just to pick up some rhinestones and plonk them down. So on this card I use 10. On another card I use 9. But there is plenty in your pack for enough to do all 10 cards, as well as a little extra, which is always nice. Just like so. And there you have it. So there's the cards. So as I said, you'll be able to make 10 of them if you purchase the pack. Alternatively, all these products are available on their own, so do not feel the need to buy the pack and the card stock. If you wish just to have the stamp set or the stamps, then please feel free. So as I said, you get 10 card bases, 10 Whisper White stitch shapes. You get a pack of rhinestones, which is more than enough, so you have some extra, and you also get 10 envelopes, perfectly sized for this card. Okay, so please let me know if you wish to place an order. Give this video a thumbs up, follow the links in the description below, and just leave me a comment, say hi. See you later, bye.